Welcome back to your review channel, and yes, another episode of your Costco Today. Today we're talking about some truffle parmesan black truffle seasoning salt I found in Costco. Let's do a quick review and see how it looks. Let's go. So the price is $9.49. I was walking in my local Costco and I finally saw this. All the other Costco's had it. We finally got it. The truffle parmesan and black garlic seasoning. We're going to open this up. I'm going to smell it. I'm going to taste it. I'm going to tell you what I think about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do appreciate you tuning in as always. So you saw me walking through Costco and you saw me look at this truffle parmesan and black garlic seasoning. So I was very interested in finding it. I did find it. I was looking for it for a while. A lot of stores had it and my store did not. So I finally found it in the store, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So what is this stuff? Well, this is like a seasoning. So you can use this on popcorn. You can use this when you're cooking. You can put it on steak. You can put it in salads. You can put it any way you want. I think popcorn would be really kind of cool for this, but I'm just doing a quick review and a quick tasting just to give you a sense of what this is. So let's take a look at this. So the calories are actually very, very low, as you can see here. And the ingredients aren't terrible. It's got 350 milligrams of sodium, a total carb 1 and protein 1. Ingredients, let's see. So black truffle salt, which of course, let's see what else we have here. Salt, black truffle, which is kind of weird, like it's redundant, natural and artificial flavors, Parmesan cheese, of course, pasteurized parts skim milk, cheese culture, salt, enzymes, cheese flavor, which is okay, whatever, Parmesan cheese, pasteurized parts skim milk, cheese culture, salt, enzymes, sodium phosphate, salt, lactate acid, cornstarch, that's kind of weird, dried cane syrup, black garlic powder, spices, natural flavors, onion flavor, natural flavors. That's what it says. So the main ingredient is black truffle salt. So basically it's black truffle salt. It's in my estimation, black truffle salt and also a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of everything. It has a lot of ingredients for a very simple label here. What's inside tells you what it is, ready to use, which is really kind of used. You can use it in meats, seafoods, used before cooking, freshly mashed potatoes. That'd be cool on a baked potato. Oh, that's really cool. That's a really good. Let me know in the comments down below what you think this would be good for. I think either eggs, baked potato, popcorn, things like that. You want to add a little flavor, a little Parmesan cheese. But okay, so let's take a look at it and see what it tastes. And I'll give you an idea of my impression and what it tastes like. Any comments or any questions, please leave down below. Please check out all my other videos online, all my Costco videos. This is a Costco product. You can also get this online as well, and I'll leave a link down below where you can find yours. Hopefully I can find a link. If I can find a link, I'll leave it down below. So let's see what we got here. All right, so it's sealed really well, as you can see here. Open this puppy up here. All right, so I will give you, what does it smell like? Let's see. Well, it smells like Parmesan cheese. It actually smells like, reminds me of that Kraft Parmesan cheese. That's what it smells like. The base smell of that. Okay, kind of weird. Let's see. Yeah, it's got a kind of weird smell to it. But all right, let's see what happens. Let's see what it's like a fine powder. You can see here, right? Let's just take a taste and see what we have. Okay, well, hopefully you can see. Okay, so what I'm tasting is, the first notes I'm tasting is cheese, and then a little bit of the garlic, and then some of the truffle. So it's not heavy with the truffle. It's more cheesy and truffly, salty. It's actually an interesting blend. It actually might be kind of cool. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna test it on the things that it suggested: popcorn, baked potatoes, maybe even French fries. You want to make, everyone loves truffle French fries. That's huge right now. I wanted this to be really kind of cool. Some truffle fries, also baked potato, eggs, maybe pizza. I think anything. What do you think? Give me some suggestions down below in the comment section. Also, smash that like button if you're enjoying all my Costco videos. It does help me out a lot, so I can help you guys out make some educated decisions. I do appreciate that as well. And also turn on notifications, so when I do a new video, you'll be notified. I do appreciate that as well. So here it is: truffle parmesan and black garlic seasoning. There's a lot of information here. There's a lot of stuff going on here, but I did see this online at some some Costco stores, and mine didn't have it, and I finally found this. So here it is here. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's okay. Take a look at the consistency. You can see here. Honestly, it's got a funky smell. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's got a funky smell. It tastes better than it smells, okay? Yeah, it tastes better than it smells. It's got that like goat cheesy kind of thing going on. Like I don't know, it's kind of weird, but it tastes really good. So let's one more time. Let's taste that one more time. Double check that. Yeah, Parmesan, truffle, salty, just exactly what it's described on the ingredients. That's what this tastes like. But the main, okay, that truffle's coming across a little stronger, so it depends on the bits and pieces. You can see the dark parts here. You can see hopefully that should be the truffle. Or truffle salt. Calories, only 10 calories for 3 grams, 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon is quite a bit with this. So this is actually, it goes a long way. So don't use a lot of it, use a little bit. When you're done with it, put the cover on. And a lot of these times, you don't have to refrigerate these, but I think you should. Let's see if it says anything about refrigeration on here. For more information, recipes, cool. It doesn't say, expires 6/16/2024. It says a long shelf life, which is kind of cool. So you don't have to worry about using it right away. That's always nice about these cheeses, when the way they process these, they last forever. Okay guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave down below. Let me know what you think about this. If you found it in your Costco, leave a note down below. Let me know if you found it in your Costco. And also, I enjoy working on these videos, and I hope you enjoy all my Costco reviews. Take a look at the card at the end of the video. It shows you all my Costco reviews. I have a ton of them online. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this review and unboxing of this awesome truffle Parmesan black garlic seasoning, and I'll see you at the next review.